Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh. I want to go do a walkthrough on this Sea Ray SPX 210 for you. Got a big swim platform on the back, port side walkthrough, big cockpit area, plenty of space to lounge around and relax while you're out on the water. This model, we've got the 2 captain's chairs with flip-up bolsters. We've got a glass dash with Simrad and a Fusion audio system. I want to show you the infinity flooring on this model as well, and the big bow seating area where mom and the kids can all hang out. We'll make sure that you come see us here at MarineMax in Dallas. We're right here on I-35 North in Louisville, or you can visit us at www.marinemax.com. Come check us out anytime.